Everybody, let's cook here. Let's go. Woo. Let's cook here. Hello fam, welcome back to Shane Cooks and Creates. So today's dish is a fusion of Thailand cuisine and Kenyan cuisine, and actually today we are shooting outdoors. Okay, so we are going to do pineapple vegetable rice and organic garlic sweet chicken. So we have rice, this is our rice, we got our chicken, we have vegetable, we have red onion, carrots, green pepper and tomatoes, garlic, parsley. We have our pineapple, we'll use this while frying our rice. We have our seasoning and spices, so we have turmeric and masala, black pepper, chili flakes, sugar, dried thyme and basil. We have eggs, and we have sausages. We have beef sausages. I don't have shrimp. They're supposed to use shrimp, but I don't have shrimp. So we have peas, green peas. So we'll begin by cutting and boiling our chicken. So we have a chicken here. This is the chicken. I will slice it right now. So let's go. Cutting the chicken. So as you can see, it's a big chicken. I've been taking off the legs. Big thighs, wings, big size. Done. We have the back, and as you can see, it's fresh. The neck. So we'll boil it first. The chicken is ready. To go into boiling, so I'll boil it first. Let me clean it first. So I'll just transfer into clean it. So we're using we need salt. Salt. Lemon. I'll use lemon to clean it. So just a squeeze. The water is clean, so we need to give it another clean. Another bag. Our chicken is clean. Use a pressure cooker. here we go. Just need to add bay leaves, dry thyme, salt, okay, garlic, don't need much, just a little of it, garlic, ginger, let me peel, lemongrass, we'll add half an onion, okay, perfect, and tomato, you don't need to cut it, just 2 halves, then water. Just a little water. So I'll add some vinegar. Okay. We are ready to cook the chicken. Let it boil for 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes. It's time to prepare our vegetable rice. So what we need is garlic, 2 carrots, green pepper, ginger, we need some cilantro, we need some rosemary, and we need onion, so, and 1 red onion. So I'll blend these tomatoes. I'll need about 3 tomatoes. These are for the sauce. We need to dice them into small cubes. Okay, next our green bell peppers. Half an onion. Onions. Get to our sausages. Sausage. We'll cut them into. Okay. Sausage. Okay. Here's our pineapple. As you can see, let it balance, and you cut it from the side it's balancing from. So as you can see, I'll start by cutting it half full. So we have our pineapple. So we'll scoop the inner part and use the inner part as well. So as you can see, just need to cut it. Oops. So as we have a bowl, we use this later to plate. Okay, so I'll cut it into cubes. Big enough cubes. Well, let's try the pineapple. Sugary. So as you can see, it's ready. Right, yellow bell pepper, okay, it's ready. Our veggies and sausage, our green peas. So we'll add this. This to help with the garnishing. Okay. Our rice. Need ginger and garlic. So it's time to fry our Thailand rice. So we start by shallow cooking this veggies, the green peas, water, salt, our green peas, our carrots, our green and yellow bell pepper. So we boil our veggies, let them boil. Okay, as our veggies boil, our chicken is ready. Our chicken is, as you can see, our chicken is ready. Yeah, so we will. So it's ready, as you can see. Right, so put this aside. Our veggies also are ready. Veggies are boiling. Ready to be cooked. So I'll cook the pineapple veggies rice. We don't need these first, so we start with the rice. First, ginger and garlic. So what I need to do with this, just need to add them. So I need to let it boil. Don't let it brown, let it boil. As you can see. So first, I'll add our sausage and onions. Our sausage and onions. Paprika for flavor, pineapple, these are pineapple, to let it cook for a few minutes. We'll go in. So I'll use maybe half of this rice. I've added the rice. Now lower the heat. Our greens. So our rice, as you can see, is cooking. So our rice is ready. Just add some cilantro. Our chicken. So what we need garlic, ginger, rosemary, and skillet. Let it brown, as you can see. I add this, the peel. Just add the peel to add the zest taste. So I'll add the peel. I don't need the peel, just the peel. This is the sugar. Some honey. I'll also use organic honey because we are dealing with organic chicken. Rosemary, fresh rosemary, white vinegar, take 1 lemon. Orange, give it a squeeze. Okay, chicken masala. That's enough. Tomato paste. Okay, for now today I don't have enough soy sauce, but you should add soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Right. You stir. Sauce. We use it in the chicken. You pour the sauce. It's sweet, sour, and has a citrus C flavor into it. Our chicken is ready. Our garlic, honey chicken is ready, as you can see. Honey chicken is ready, as you can see. So, sit off the fire. Now later, our chicken. Start with the neck. Back. So all I need is garlic, ginger, and onion and tomatoes. I'll blend this to make our sauce. So here's our chicken. To our pan. And cook it. So I use this sauce as a side sauce for the chicken. Our sauce is ready. Our sauce is ready. It's sweet and spicy and sour because I added vinegar. So here's our sauce. Sweet, sour, spicy sauce. As you can see, just want to put it in the bowl. Our sauce is ready, as you can see. And of the rice, so I put it. I use this as our bowl for plating. I use oranges. Sauce, our Thailand fusion African Kenyan vegetable pineapple rice, and we have garlic sweet sour spicy chicken, organic chicken. This is an organic chicken, so it's time to give it a try, time to dig in. So let's give it a try. Wow, really awesome, really delicious. The chicken now. The chicken is really tender and soft, and it has a citrusy taste to it. So I can add a bit of lemon to the rice. Delicious. Awesome. So that's the video for today. We did pineapple veggies rice with a fusion of Thailand rice, organic chicken, sweet citrusy flavor, and also with honey and sauce. This is a chili sauce. It's spicy, sweet and sour. So that's the video for today. And if you are watching for the first time, please remember to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below and like the video. Share with your friends, share with your family. So in this festive seasons, I hope you enjoy your holidays. So see you in the next video. Bye bye guys. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video. Goodbye. Yeah, let's stay fit.